Welcome to our video comparison of two popular smartphone stabilizers, the SmallRig Universal Phone Cage and the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer. In today's digital age, capturing high-quality video is essential for content creators, and having the right equipment can make all the difference. We'll dive into the specifications, pros and cons of each product, and help you determine which stabilizer is the best fit for your videography needs. The SmallRig Universal Phone Cage relies on the user's steadiness to achieve stable shots, making it essential for users to have a steady hand while filming. In contrast, the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer offers built-in gimbal stabilization, which actively compensates for any movements, ensuring smoother footage even during dynamic shooting scenarios. This makes the L7C Pro a more suitable option for users looking for effortless stabilization. The SmallRig Universal Phone Cage is designed with multiple 1-4 feet -20 threaded holes and cold shoe mounts, allowing users to attach various accessories such as microphones, lights, and more. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for filmmakers who want to customize their setup. On the other hand, the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer, while offering advanced features, has fewer mounting points, limiting its expandability compared to the SmallRig. The SmallRig Universal Phone Cage focuses on providing a solid foundation for smartphone videography, but it lacks advanced stabilization features. In contrast, the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer is packed with innovative features such as AI tracking, gesture control, and a fill light, making it a more comprehensive solution for users looking to enhance their filming experience. These added functionalities can significantly improve the quality of your videos. In conclusion, both the SmallRig Universal Phone Cage and the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer have their unique strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a versatile and expandable option, the SmallRig might be the better choice. However, if you prioritize stabilization and advanced features, the L7C Pro could be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like